So, what's on the floor?
Nothing.
Oh, bro. It's this little one thing I'm trying to slide on, but you know my scat crashed. Somebody hit into it from the side. It was a red light where they was at, and it just turned green when I was going. Somebody just ran a red light and hit my jump.
So basically, what you was trying to say is they ran past the red light.
Yeah, they ran a red light and totaled my jump. But where you at?
Sitting down in Charlie.
Oh. Bro, but you got some girls on the floor?
No, not right now.
You got some weed on you?
No, not right now.
Uh, trying to go slide to the weed house?
No, I'm trying to go to somebody else's house.
Who?
This girl house.
Where she live at?
She alright?
I said where she live at, nigga.
Oh. I don't even know. I didn't even hook up with her yet.
Boy, I bet you I could take her, bro. Look at my drip. I got V-Lone. Boy, just look at my drip. I could go to the crib and throw on something else right now. Look at my drip. Bro, where's you at?
Yeah, spot. I obviously don't see no drip.
Here I come.
Obviously don't see no drip, bro.
Hold on, stand up. Come on, bro. Hold up. I'm finna prove
Don't see
you
no
wrong.
drip, bro.
Finna prove you wrong. Look at that.
Where you at?
I'm right here. Where you at, bro?
She over there. You don't supposed to talk.
You just messed it up.